Now we want to get our places in here, guys, before everybody floods this area. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the parking garage is up on the right here. There's about another half a mile.
My name is Jeff Piotrowski. When Mother Nature's out of control, that's when I'm at my best.
Is what Dustin. Oh, big power flash to south
Big
here.
power flash. That's
Okay.
that next band coming in here.
Yeah, Laura made landfall just east of Cameron, Louisiana. Official from NHC. 100 plus mile winds are coming into Lake Charles downtown. Okay, repeat critical message. This is going to be probably one of the most important messages of the night. Again, been talking about this now for 3 days. Unsurvivable storm surge with large destructive waves, catastrophic damage from the Seam River State Park in Texas to intercoastal city, Louisiana, including Sabine Lake, back to my south and southwest here. The surge could penetrate up to 40 miles inland. Immediate coastline and floodwater will not fully recede for several days after the storm. The Lake Charles, the storm surge is coming north rapidly now. Power explosion downtown. Power went out. Explosions behind the building. I'm going outside. Wow. Hang on. Wow. Stand by, YouTube. Wow. Power's out. Power's out on the north side of downtown Lake Charles. Power just went out. Back on again. Downtown. Wow. Holy mackerel. My gosh. Now 1 a.m. Central Time, and Lake Charles, we're about to go in that absolute just super destructive winds. Power flashes southeast, east, and northeast of downtown. The power's out on the north half of downtown Lake Charles. Okay, emergency warning, emergency broadcast warning from the Weather Service Lake Charles. High wind warning, extreme wind warning, very destructive winds are coming in. Winds of 140 to 150 miles an hour are coming up from the south now. Tell people get into the bathtubs, get into the interior halls now. Do it now. Lake Charles gusted to 128 miles an hour. 100, the very destructive winds are now coming into the city of Lake Charles. Lake Charles reported 128 miles an hour. High Cat 3 going to Cat 4. This is going to be the final knockout blow coming in. Look at this. I'm looking at radar from Houston, which is way over there. 125 to 140. We are going to get to the eastern eye wall. It is 1:30 a.m. August 27th. Hurricane Laura is made landfall just east of Cameron, Louisiana, and it's coming north up Highway 27, and Lake Charles is in the north eye wall now. Winds gusting to 135 in downtown Lake Charles. Flying debris, power's out. Bad stuff's flying now. Fairly big, gigantic stuff's flying. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Oh, God. I gotta get down. Air conditioners just came off the roof.
Are you sure that was an air conditioning and not someone's car?
Almost took me out.
Or something that was on top of their car because it was really big.
We're gonna be in the eye in just about 5 minutes or less, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna be in the eye.
When I chase a hurricane, what I look forward to is getting in the eye where the winds go to calm. This wasn't the case with Hurricane Laura. Instead, the eye was very windy. The eye of Hurricane Laura was filled with dangerous winds and vortices.
power's out everywhere. Obviously that one room up there has got power, and I don't know how it is. It must be, I don't know what it is. You see that one light on? That's got power, and that entire building's without power, but that one room's got power. Okay, we're getting really bad now in the southwest here.
A quarter-mile away in the storm surge waters, I see a person walking in chest-high water. The man was trapped all night on the second floor of the building where the roof had collapsed. He spent the night partially submerged in the water. I offered to send for an ambulance. He just wanted to borrow my phone, call his mother. A local passing by gave the man a ride.